Hello! ROG Falchion Ace HFX is a 65% gaming keyboard from ASUS, which is present on the market for over a year now. We've tested it last September, and today in front of us there's a ZywOo edition of that keyboard. In case you didn't know, ZywOo is a nickname of Counter-Strike 2 player Mathieu Herbeau. Mathieu, or ZywOo, was announced as an official ROG keyboard ambassador in May 2025, and he uses this keyboard in his competitions. The keyboard features magnetic switches, Hall effect switches, and features like rapid trigger, customizable actuation points, and 8000 Hz polling rate. Its compact size and features like multifunction button and touch panel provide a customizable experience for gamers and all alike. So ZywOo's feedback highlights the confidence the keyboard provides to players at the highest level of competition. And like he says, and like it says on the box, it's not just fast, it's built for winning. So let's take a look at what's inside the box and what's different about this ZywOo edition of the keyboard. The box itself is a little bit more colorful than the regular one. And as you can see on this picture, the keyboard is also a bit more colorful than the regular edition. So let's open the box and see what's inside. The outside of the box is a thin cardboard, and inside we have a stronger cardboard box, and the keyboard itself is placed in a little bag like this. Okay, we're gonna open the keyboard later. Let's see what else inside. There's a well-known tray with yellow feet this time. We also have some paperwork, like usual, and also some stickers. Also, there's a cable, which is 1.8 meters long, and it's braided. On the one side we have a Type-C USB connector, and on the other side there's a USB Type-A connector. This is a tool for the keycaps and also for switches. We have two extra keycaps, Escape and Z, and also a third one, which is Control. Open the keyboard. And we can immediately see the difference. This keyboard is much more colorful than the regular Falchion, which is black. So we have a yellow enter key, we have a sniper, where is the back key, and also we have highlighted VASD buttons. Also there's a ZywOo naming here, and also on the escape button we have, well, basically that's a rooster. Around the keyboard there are yellow highlights. We have a little sticker here which protects this screen, and also there's a pink background with pink back wall. So we have here a rapid trigger button, like on the normal Falchion edition. We have two USB ports, which is convenient depending on the side that you want the cable to run. We have here a switch to choose between the sides, and also there's an ROG button here on the left side, or on the right side on the video. Oh yeah, also there's a ZywOo signature on the space button. And basically that's it. That's all the difference that this ZywOo edition brings in correlation to normal Falchion HFX keyboard. As we know, the Hall effect keys are very silent, very well damped. There's a couple of gaskets inside the keyboard which damps the sound and enhances the experience of typing or, of course, fast play. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.